Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO-friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you want to format and publish your blog post by us, you may contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Before installing a plugin, I am sharing one important thing. If you want to install plugin in WordPress, you must have to be admin of that website. If you are editor or contributor any other role, you have no access to install any plugin. So make sure it before installing a plugin, you are the admin of that website. Otherwise, you will not get this option on your dashboard interface. Okay, so I am going to install a plugin. Firstly, I am going to visit this plugin section. As I have to install a plugin or add new plugin, so I have to click on this option, add new plugin. I'm clicking on add new plugin. After that, I have to search here which plugin I want to install. So for example, I want to install Jetpack. This is the Jetpack plugin. I want to install this plugin. So firstly, I am clicking on install now. After the installation, you will get this option, activate the plugin. So I am going to click on activate. You see this plugin already installed and activated. Now I will show you how you can deactivate a plugin. So again, I am going my plugin section. After that, I am searching that plugin Jetpack which I have installed just few minutes before. So after installing a plugin, I recommend to enable auto update. If you enable it, then when this plugin will get newer version, updated version, automatically it will update it. And it's good feature when a plugin owner find any bug or any security problem, even if they want to give another new feature with this plugin, that time they give an update. So if you enable auto update, then your plugin will automatically update it. You don't need to do it manually. Even for example, you are not logging your website for a month, but your all of the plugin will be up to date and your website will not be broken or something like this. So after enabling auto update, you will get a option for disable auto updates. That means it's already enabled auto updates. Okay, so now I am going to show you how you can deactivate a plugin. So as I installed this plugin, so I want to deactivate this plugin. So below the plugin name, you will find the deactivate option. So just click on deactivate, and after that they might show you a pop-up, or some plugins don't show anything, just automatically getting deactivate. But for Jetpack, it's showing a pop-up. Just they want to make sure, are you sure you want to deactivate? Yeah, deactivate. Click there, and this plugin deactivated, but still it's on my website, it's didn't delete it. So if you want to keep that plugin on your website, you can just keep it as like this. But if you think this plugin is no more needed for your website, it's just killing your web storage, then it's better to delete this plugin. So I am going to delete. And after deleting, in future, again, if you think you need to install this plugin, you can install it. That's not a problem. So today I have guide you how you can install a plugin, activate a plugin, how you can enable auto update for the plugin, and how you can deactivate and delete the plugin. So today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your website blog post formatting, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.